Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO C65 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Following that, on POCO C65, you need to use all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Finally, hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!